A local business can easily pay $500 to $1,000 a month for SEO. But behind that fee, there is a lot of repeated work. Rank tracking, keyword research, GBP posts, review replies, citation checks, competitor research, and monthly reports. Now imagine if most of that manual work could be done faster and cleaner, not to replace strategy, but to save time. Here are the top 4 AI tools for local SEO agencies. Tool 1 is SE Ranking. SE Ranking helps agencies track keywords, rankings, competitors, backlinks, and local SEO performance. Its biggest value is local rank tracking. Instead of checking rankings manually across cities, areas, or zip codes, SE Ranking tracks the data automatically. It replaces weekly spreadsheet work and helps your team see ranking movement, keyword opportunities, and competitor changes in one dashboard. Tool 2 is Surfer SEO. Surfer helps with content planning and optimization. You enter a keyword, and it studies top ranking pages to suggest headings, topics, structure, related terms, and content length. For local SEO agencies, this is useful for city pages, service pages, and blog posts. It does not replace a writer, but it does replace hours of manual content research. Tool 3 is BrightLocal paired with Whitespark. Local SEO depends on accurate business listings. The name, address, phone number, website, and category need to stay consistent across directories. BrightLocal helps audit listings, track rankings, monitor reviews, and create reports. Whitespark helps with citation building and local search discovery. Together, they replace manual citation checking and make listing management easier at scale. Tool 4 is AgencyAnalytics, or Swido. These tools help agencies create client reports automatically. They pull data from SEO tools, Google Analytics, Search Console, Google Business Profile, ads platforms, and call tracking tools. This replaces the monthly reporting headache. Instead of copying screenshots and updating numbers manually, the dashboard does most of the work. Your agency only adds the insights, explanation, and next steps. So when you stack these tools together, you build a smoother local SEO workflow. SE Ranking handles tracking. Surfer helps with content. BrightLocal and Whitespark support citations. And AgencyAnalytics makes reporting easier. AI is not replacing local SEO agencies. It is helping them work faster, cleaner, and smarter.